Hello, this is Christina from Modern Crochet. I'm here with some more crochet tutorials. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a Clover Amour hook. This is a size L, 8mm, as well as Charisma yarn from Loops and Threads, which is available at Michael's. This is a bulky weight yarn. I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. I've gone ahead and started with 6 chains. This is going to give us 5 half double crochets. I'm going to skip the first chain, which is closest to the hook. We're going to go into the second chain. We're going to start by yarning over, then inserting our hook into that second chain so that we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over again, pull off 1, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Half double crochet is a little bit wider than a single crochet or a double crochet. It's shorter than the double crochet and only a slightly taller than the single crochet. So again, yarn over, insert into the second chain, yarn over, pull off 1, yarn over, pull off 3. I'm going to do that across. What's nice about this stitch is that as far as speed for working it, it's pretty similar to a single crochet, but it does give you a little bit of a thicker finished piece. It's really good for items that you want to be warm or to have a nice thickness to them, like trivets or mittens or things like that. So here you can see a completed row of half double crochet. When you get to the end of the row, you'll chain 1, then you'll flip your work, and you'll continue along the second row, inserting your hook underneath those 2 parts of the V. Yarn over, pull off 1, yarn over, pull off all 3. The half double crochet.